Okay, so this is a follow-up video of my nuke that I just saved out of the tree. And I'm going to do this as a screen recording setup so that I can fast forward through some of this. Okay, fast forwarding, smoking. Okay, inside the hive.
Okay, I'm going to have to pull these out and hang the frames upright.
Okay, so I'm pulling these out and I want to get to the part where the moving frames to help me find the queen. Anybody see the queen?
I think it does need to be reinforced.
I did not find the queen.
I know, babies.
Okay, so this is the other side. Get ready for the moving screen.
I'm looking for the queen. I'm not very good at spotting her, but they sure are active right here. Let's see you.
This is the next frame. Help me find the queen.
That's pure honey.
Well, it's nectar.
Some major honey going on here.
Honey, it's not capped.
Honey and honey.
It's not honey.
Okay,
not
honey,
yet.
I hear you. Okay. That's the bees.
Okay, here we go. Here's some more bees. Help me find the queen. Sorry, my dogs were playing in the background.
Oh, that comb is doing pretty good. It's hanging on the end down there. I need to reinforce that. So, I'm going to reinforce it.
I wasn't very slow in front of the camera,
that plastic,
fortunately.
in case if anybody falls.
Let me see if I can go back and do that again. Freeze that.
Good. It's hanging on the end down there. I need to reinforce that.
Yep. Sorry. My dogs are scrambling down the hallway. Okay, let's look here. Okay, it's too busy. You're not going to be able to look clear enough, I don't guess.
Y'all settle down. It's okay, babies. Oh, no.
I just went too fast. Sorry. Okay, let's freeze that for a minute. Try to zoom in on that picture. Aha! We can zoom in. Help me look for the queen. Yes, it's football Saturday here at the house. Okay, I need to slow this down.
Or anything. I just see healthy comb. Is there a queenie in there? I don't know, but they sure are fussing because I messed them up. I'm going to hold tight. We're going to look at this side. Plastic lid is down below to catch anything. I wish I knew. Y'all are definitely into the honey. But I don't.
Wait. Let me go back a second. Oh my gosh. There's the queen. The elusive queen has been spotted. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this. Do you see the queen? I see the queen. Okay, let me play this again and see if you see it.
But I don't see the brood or the queen.
I saw her. Let me back up. Okay. Look along the rubber band. Ha ha ha. Do you see the abdomen? I see the abdomen and the body. She is there. I am so excited. Do you see her now? Okay, let's watch along the rubber band.
Plastic lid is down below to catch anything.
Watch along the... Ha 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 ha. There she is. I found her. I found her. Hee hee hee.
I knew.
There she is, goofball.
Y'all are definitely into
She's healthy.
the honey.
Yay!
But I don't see.
She's hiding well. She went under that rubber band. These are the bees that were in the box. Take a listen.
You guys can clean that up.
Sounded really cool.
Okay, just want to make it flatter so that you can use it. Okay, sun's coming in. I love that sound. Good gracious. Okay, we have that hanging now. Let's see about getting one of these frames.
It's my dog bringing the toy.
Gently
You go, baby.
over here.
Go.
They're going to bring that comb, create comb, and bring that down. I couldn't get it to hang up high because it's so heavy. Heavy.
And that's not honey
It's
because it's
very
not
heavy.
capped. That's nectar. Once it's matured to honey, it will be capped over.
I suppose.
They are working on...
I do not see the queen.
Yeah, we already spotted the queen. Sorry. Already spotted the queen. Okay, so we are going to put this back together. And this is all temporary. Oh, I wanted to show you my sugar water. So put the sugar water, laid it flat on top.
I had some honeycomb.
Cut.
I'm going to drop in on the
bag.
sides with
Cut the
scrap
bag.
pieces. So I'm just going to drop that down in there. Maybe they'll use that.
Thin layer of
Add some more.
2 to 1
Looks like
sugar
it may
water.
have had some pollen or something in it, so we're going to...
Okay, the extra comb, I just smashed it onto the outer. Oh, they are taken to that frame really well. Look at there.
Definitely. Already. Okay.
Smashed it on the outer frame.
Putting you back in. You got your outside spot. And I need to lead a little bit.
Again, this is a redneck setup. I
Of
just saved this hive yesterday.
space. Listen to that sound. Just listen. I had to put them against the fence to keep them from going over the fence into the pool. I'm going to push them out forward. I have a dog fence here, about 3 to 5 feet around. Small water source that will freeze in the next couple nights. So here we go. About to close them up.
Redneck setup.
Boy, that was fun. Oh, how about some sugar water?
Yep, we gave him the sugar water. Put a slit at the top. And then I put it on the vented mode of the Pro Nuke. And that's it. We're going to leave them be for a while.